Hi everyone, Jay here, 5-Star Marine, back to the weekly weather. However, I've got some very, very sad news. I've just had a blowout on my flop, and it's very sad really. I don't really know what to say. I don't know if I can do the weather or not. No. Of course I can do the weather! Hello, Jelly Shark here to do your weekly weather update live. Well, not live because I've recorded it on Sunday morning. Here's my garden, and look, luckily it's a little bit dry now. Very, very overcast day. We just had a massive squall come through this morning, which woke me up, which is good to get me all up and invigorated, ready to give you our weekly weather report. Got it? Good. Mischief? Let's go. Miguel, don't show that bit that was just on the camera at the very start.
Aye, aye, Captain!
And now you just walked into my tripod. Thanks, Mischief. Anyway, yeah, don't put that bit up because that's a bit naughty. Right, Mischief, come on, let's go. Oh, bye, weather. David Icke was right. I know some people that look like lizards. Yeah. Reptilian apocalypse is coming, people. And no one's ready for... Oh, hello. Hi, Jay here, and do the weather. Don't worry about that one. But I'm sure there are people that are reptilians. I've met some. Maybe my ex-girlfriends. One or two of them were anyway. Yeah, they're very scaly.
Got him! Got him!
Anyway, enough of that. Let's do the weekly weather here on Sunday the 22nd, and windy is where we're at. And as you can see, it's pretty windy today. Green is windy, yellow's really windy, blue is not so windy, and purple is lovely. So as you can see, there's lots of wind this morning coming in from the west. So it's going to be a little bit breezy today. Interesting. Now, I just want to point out, last week I did well. I was pretty accurate last week with the weather, although it didn't really get too bad until Friday afternoon. Because Friday morning I was doing some team building. Look here, here's some pictures of me doing team building. You too can do team building with 5-Star Marine. A little plug there. Anyway, Sunday morning, here's the weather. A bit windy in the morning. Let's look for Sunday afternoon. Yep, even more wind Sunday afternoon. Yep. So Sunday is going to be breezy now, but as you can see, Phang Nga Bay is always going to be well protected. So this time of year, Phang Nga Bay is always worth going to. Let's look at Monday the 23rd, Monday morning. Still some wind, but as you can see, it's pretty blue-ish and purplish over on this side. So that's quite nice. So, but you might get the odd shower or two. That's the problem. When it's really windy like this, especially with this big yellow patch here, it does bring in a little bit more rain. You get big squalls. Like on Friday, I was out for dinner Friday night, and there was a huge squall came through. It was very, very breezy. And very, very rainy, I should say. Wet. Food was nice though. Did like it. I had squid with squid ink. Not sure about squid ink. Didn't really taste of much. Anyway, Monday afternoon. Wind dies off a little bit greeny. There is some more wind here, but I've got a feeling it could be a little bit wet on Monday. Let's look at Tuesday. Oh dear. I wouldn't go to Phi Phi on Tuesday, so if you are booked in for Tuesday, you'll probably get an email from Sean saying, let's not go to Phi Phi on Tuesday. Maybe you should go up and do Phang Nga Bay instead, which is still very, very beautiful. You've got Hong Krabi, you've got Hong Island, Panak Island, you've got Pani Village to go and visit. Obviously James Bond. Pew, pew, pew. Sean gun noise, by the way. Pretty rubbish. Tuesday afternoon, still pretty windy Tuesday afternoon, so it might be a bit bumpy. It will be bumpy coming back from Phi Phi. Phang Nga Bay should be okay. But like I said, when we look at the acute weather, which is here, I'm sure we'll find that there might be a bit of rain very much at the start of the week. Wednesday, still big winds coming in for Wednesday. It might clear by now, but you never know. Usually with my the predictions I look at windy, it's kind of a day ahead, if that makes any sense. Because usually, that doesn't make any sense, does it? So it generally says it's going to be bad on Wednesday, but it might have cleared by then. That makes no sense, does it? Miguel's probably putting something up here with big question marks or something, or just going, what's he talking about? It's been a busy, busy weekend. I'm quite tired. Wednesday afternoon. Let's have a little look. Dies off, it's starting to die off. So that's my point. It's starting to die off Wednesday. So I reckon when I click on Thursday the 26th, Wednesday's payday, by the way, 25th, which is nice. Thursday morning, there we go. It is dropping off. Phang Nga Bay and people look perfect. Thursday afternoon, look at that. I knew it was going to happen. Thursday looks good. Let's look at Friday the 27th. Some wind, but nothing that's really light green, so that's not too bad at all. Friday afternoon looks beautiful. Really good day to go out Friday afternoon. Let's look at Saturday the 28th. Wowzers! Looks like high season weather. That's lovely, isn't it? Saturday afternoon. Look! Beautiful purple everywhere, all over Phuket, even over Phi Phi and Phang Nga Bay. Looks great. And then Sunday the 29th, wind starting to come in Sunday afternoon, but nothing crazy. So, the way I'm looking at this is going to be windy at the start of the week and it drops off at the end of the week. So let's go look at acute weather. Now this one, I know it's hard to see because it's white, but this one is your bog standard weather forecast. So it gives a little sound like the cloud with some rain and 30 degrees. 31 degrees, it was really humid this morning already because there is some showers in the air, as you saw from the little video I just took. But there's a big chance of rain today. Monday, big chance, 87% of chance of rain. Now I say this every week. Just because it says it's an 87% chance it's going to rain in Phuket doesn't mean it's going to rain everywhere in Phuket. It could be raining in Patong and not raining in Mai Khao. It could be raining in Shillong and not raining in Phuket town. It just means that there is an 80% chance that it will rain at some point, at somewhere in Phuket. Good day, isn't it? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, as I predicted when I talked about the wind, all look pretty rainy. But then it does say Thursday. Thursday was starting to clear up. But then as we get down to Friday, the percentage of rain drops off. Saturday, percentage of rain massively drops off. And Sunday, it drops off even more. So it looks like it's going to be a bit windy and rainy at the start of the week. But at the end of the week, it looks like we're getting some beautiful weather, which is nice and lovely, especially for this time of year. End of June. Wowzers. School holidays. One more week left of school for my kids. They're on holiday for 6 weeks. What do I do? If you've got any tips of what I can do with a 13-year-old and an 11-year-old, please let me know, because I have no idea. We're not going anywhere this year. I can tell you a story. We're going to move house, we decided not to. So now we're staying, so we didn't go back to England, so we're just going to here for the summer. Might do a few trips, camping trips maybe. You don't need to know all this, do you? It's probably too much. Okay, don't worry. Right, TMD weather radar, absolutely pointless, but this is right now, Sunday morning, and yes, there is some rain coming, so it's going to get a bit wet for me this morning. Luckily, I'm just going to chill out of my house all day today, and I might have a Netflix and chill.
Yeah, boy.
Not that type of Netflix and chill, though.
My disappointment is immeasurable.
Oh, no. My type of Netflix and chill, which is just sitting on the sofa and watching Netflix and chilling, I guess. Anyway, there you go. That's your weekly weather forecast update with me, Jay the Shark. Very tired. It's been a very long weekend. My son played a football tournament yesterday, came fourth, which was good. Not him, his team came fourth. Well done them. And Friday night I was out for dinner, did team building last week, which is good. Anything else you want to know? Just ask us a question. I'll answer it, I'm sure I will. I think I've waffled on enough, haven't I? Oh, waffle off then. All right, go back to my finding out about reptilian conspiracy theory. Look at this. That's right, reptoids. That sounds like a disease you get in your bum, isn't it? Reptoids? I'm not sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Right, origins. Professor of Political Science. Oh, Syracuse University. See, I knew it was true. Maybe Sean's a reptilian. He might be. He's quite scaly. Oh, you still here? Come on, just go. Like and subscribe and do that jazz and then just go. Thanks. Bye.